Welcome back in this lecture. Now in this section I'm going to give you the brief idea about how we are going to use backdrop. So now we can see we have a backdrop that is called element because of all the elements you have in this comp. Now first thing here you can type, and then here we have to press 60 and bold so that it should be visible from a distance, right? Now this is gonna be backdrop and this is layer contact sheet. Copy, double click and paste it here, bold and 60, and now double click on this, and sheet 2 is not 2, this is sheet only. So now if you need to, you can see this is moving along with this node, right? So if you need to, get rid of this kind of linking, so you can press Control key and easily you can move only this this backdrop, right? Okay, and this is how you can have different shades, and you can see this is looking very nice and attractive, right? So it's looking like a tree kind of thing. So I have told you earlier that you have to make a tree. All right, now the final time has come to export this thing. So double click on this right node and click on this folder, go to G drive, and here we have this COM folder. I can put here a folder, export folder, and OK. And now here we have to type anything you want, something like this. And after that, what you have to do, that press dot and shift and 3. That means is what you have to have hashes. 3 hashes is going to be a frame padding, right? So now here another dot, and then define that PNG format or what format you would like to export in, right? Save it. If you don't have these hashes, this is called frame padding, you cannot have the multiple frame render. So you can see here, if I select this render button, now you can see we have this frame range is input, and input is 1 by 1. That means only one frame is going to be rendered, but we want that global. When we have make it global, you can see that 30 to 460 frames we need to render, and choose OK. And when you're going to press OK, the render is going to be started. Click here and you can see the render is started. And if I go for this folder, you can see we have the first render. Once the render is done, I will get back to you.